Hello everyone, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to explain what is difference between is and as operator keyword in C Sharp. So let's flip to the Visual Studio and I will show you the what is difference between them. So in this I have already create some example to save our time. So I will explain you. So basically each operator is used to check uh, a runtime object is compatible type or not, whereas as operator is helpful to convert object type to another types, right? So here we can see that like each operator is used to check a type as runtime its type is not. So we have create object variable object int and assign an integer value. And here you can see that I check the object type. Object type is a string, and then if it is a string, then it's not the integer number. If it is not a string, that's an integer number, right? But you can see that here you can. So object type is totally boolean type. Each operator is boolean type, whereas as operator is not a boolean type. Either it check with the object is compatible or not. If not, it's return a false value. Whereas as operator, if its conversion is not done, then it's return the null value. I will show you in the examples, right? So I'm just put the debugger here and see. Here you can see that. So I'm because object is a type of integer, but I just check the condition object is type is integer, so it's returned to the false condition because object type is integer, not a string. So it's returned false, right? And here you can see that I just create object assign a string value, and I convert object into the strings. So here you can see that I get the values. So once I click F5 here, you can say that it's not an integer number, it's print hello, right? So once I put the integer here, right? Then we can see that result. And so if object type is integer, then it's return the true value and print that yes, it is integer number. And now in the as operator, like object contains the string value, but I want to conversion into int. Here you can see that we get that compilation error, right? Object must be used to, I can just use where type, or I can use uh, some other types, array, like. So let's see that a particular result here. So if object is integer type, use is operator, check it is yes, it is integer type, and you check integer, and now you can see that as operators. So we can store strings value in the object, and now as operator is used to convert as array. Then if conversion is not correct, then it's return the null value, and here you can see that it's null value, right? So now I am going to summarize the differences between them. So each operator is used to check runtime object is compatible or not. As operator is used for conversion one object type to another types, right? Each operator is return. Each operator is totally boolean type and is return true or false value. But as operator is not a boolean type, right? And here you can see that object if object is not a compatible type, then it's return a false value. And if in the conversion object is not a compatible, then it's return a null value. So that is the main difference between them. If you have any question, please put on the comment box, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.